I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is a 3-compartment units coming with a splashy board and also have the hand washer on the other side. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall length will be 77 inches. And the depth will be about like 18 and a half inches. And the overall height, include the backboards, that will be 15 and a half inches. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the sinks, they will be about like 12 and a half inches in the length and 12 inches in the depth and 12 inches in the height. The 3 compartments the same, and also they come in with 4 water jet filters right here. And this is a splashy board. You can removable, you can pull it out or just attach on the side right here. 12 inches in the length, 12 and a half inches, and 12 inches in depth. So this is the overall size for the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.